Hello, welcome to Etegent Technologies Tech Talk. In this presentation, we will showcase our work on REEF. Etegent Technologies is an Ohio small business with offices in Dayton and Cincinnati. The company has decades of experience in machine learning, AI data management, and high-performance computing. Our three major divisions are the modeling and simulation team, who specializes in performance modeling and data fusion, the machine learning group, which does everything from data and model engineering to deployment and monitoring, and the software group, which specializes in advanced computing technologies, including signal and image processing and edge computing. We work with a variety of diverse government customers, including Air Force Research Lab, the NGA, NAVSEA, and the Space Force Boulder TAP Lab. The Navy uses classification algorithms to identify submarines using sonar in their anti-submarine warfare systems. One problem is that these algorithms have is that they assume that all data points are always available. However, sometimes data can be missing, or in some cases, ephemeral, or very rare. The Navy's main interest is being able to leverage ephemeral features when they do exist without reducing classification performance in other cases. This system is intended to be deployed on the ANSQQ-89 undersea warfare combat system, which detects, classifies, localizes, and tracks hostile targets for surface ships, including Arleigh Burke-class destroyers. As part of the anti-submarine system, sonar signals get extracted into sets of features, which are then used by classifiers to identify what a given sonar ping is. That information is used for tracking targets over time and gets presented to fleet operators so they can make an informed decision about next steps. This is a key part of maintaining naval security. During this process, features can be missing due to environmental conditions, stealth tactics, or the algorithm used for a given feature. The Navy is seeking an increase in performance of 25%, though even a modest 5% gain would be transformative. This increased performance would result in faster localization and tracking of threats, which would increase survivability of fleets and help the U.S. maintain its naval superiority. To accomplish these goals, we develop a software pipeline which not only supports missing features, but is able to exploit them for maximal performance. Our solution is called Robust Exploitation of Ephemeral Features, otherwise known as REEF. REEF is a software pipeline which uses several algorithms to improve classification and avoid typical pitfalls when dealing with missing data. This pipeline not only supports missing data, but uses all available information to maximize performance. There are a few ways REEF accomplishes this. For instance, using sophisticated imputation methods allows for intelligent extrapolation from data to fill in missing values. Furthermore, REEF leverages robust algorithms which do not fail when presented with undefined data. Finally, by using patterns of missing data, the pipeline is able to update predictions further based on which data is missing. As of this recording, the project is about halfway through its Phase 2 and is fully funded through Q2 2026. REEF is being tested and refined on open datasets to prepare for government evaluation. Currently, at TRL5, REEF will continue development into TRL6 and pending evaluation, TRL7 and 8. We intend to seek Phase 2 option funding to continue development on this program further, before transitioning REEF to fleet. The key features of REEF are that it has strong classification and detection performance with or without ephemeral features. After integration into the ANSQQ-89 undersea warfare system, REEF requires no additional input from fleet operators. The only thing they will see is improved performance of classification and downstream algorithms. If necessary, the model can be easily retrained or retuned to new data to support locations with different sonar characteristics. Furthermore, the algorithms are not inherently tied to any specific sonar mode, waveform, or sensor, meaning they can support a broad range of implementations given useful training data. Towards the end of the Phase 2 period of performance, REEF will be evaluated by the Navy and will be deployed to the ANSQQ-89 land-based prototype, pending sufficient performance. And subsequently, the final REEF prototype will be demonstrated and evaluated, and pending performance will be placed on the ANSQQ-89 trunk. In addition, Etegent is looking to expand its reach and deploy REEF on similar platforms. In order to deploy REEF on new platforms, there's a need for new customers and agencies to work with. Within the Navy, there are several groups that benefit from improved anti-submarine warfare capability. Based on a preliminary market analysis, the most promising leads are PMA-264, or the Air Anti-Submarine Warfare Systems Program Office, and Navy Syscoms with similar needs. for instance, certain NavAir program offices. Furthermore, the REEF technology is agnostic to modality and can be extended far beyond sonar. A natural next step is using the same technology for feature-based ATR with a range of other sensing modalities like radar, infrared, or electro-optical. Further along, these same algorithms can be leveraged for other industries where machine learning is prevalent, and missing data is a problem, including financial, banking, and healthcare. To summarize, Etegent is seeking funding to continue research and development of REEF and support to extend its reach to different platforms and industries. We are interested in working further with the Navy, including partnering with other SysComs. And we believe there is opportunity to leverage REEF in other industries like financial and healthcare. Come talk to us. We would love the opportunity to talk to you more about our technology and expertise, in person or virtually. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have via the points of contacts listed on this slide. We look forward to connecting and exploring how REEF can support your needs. Thank you for your time.